Today I'm sharing how to prepare tapioca leaves before cooking. Yes, tapioca leaves, they're actually edible. This amount is for 8 to 10 servings. The ingredients needed are 650 grams of tapioca leaves and water. When buying the tapioca leaves, try to get the young leaves as possible. Here is what they look like. All leaves will appear darker than this. These two branches are quite young and they are just perfect for making curry. As we are only using tapioca leaves, pluck them from the stem. Since these tips are really young, I will use them as well. The tapioca stem contains a little sap, so be careful as they can stain the hands. Alternatively, a knife can be used to help with this as well. Here are the leaves that we have. Let's wash them. Fill the basin with water and wash the tapioca leaf thoroughly. Discard the water and repeat for the second wash. Going through each one, remove the bad leaves as much as possible. The third wash. And the fourth wash. Squeeze out the water until there is no more. Discard the water. Alright, these tapioca leaves have been washed for 4 times. Now let's boil them. Boiling the tapioca leaves before cooking is to remove the raw taste and the sap that are stuck in the leaf, and most importantly, to make it softer. I have prepared some boiling water here and a pair of tongs. We will do it in 3 portions as there are a lot of leaves. Put the tapioca leaves in the hot water to soften them. Use the tongue, push the leaf down and submerge them. Repeat for the second portion and the third. Once all the tapioca leaves have submerged in the hot water, cover the pot with a little tilted to allow the steam to escape. Like this, it will also prevent overflowing. Allow it to boil for 1 hour. Make sure to stir the leaf once in a while for them to evenly cook. After 30 minutes, the water has reduced to half. Stir the leaves. Cover the pan and cook for another 30 minutes. After 1 hour, the water has reduced so much and the leaves looks cooked and soft. This should be enough. Switch off the heat. Remove the tapioca leaf from the hot water and onto the strainer. Rinse the tapioca leaf with cold water a couple of times to remove the sap and the raw taste. Wash the leaf in the strainer and drain off the water. Rinse the leaf and remove them batch by batch, squeezing the excess water out. Roll them into a balls. Alright, here are all the tapioca leaves that have been boiled and washed. Slice them thinly. Now they are ready to be cooked. They can also be kept in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 to 5 days. It is quite a long process to prep the tapioca leaf, but they will be so worth it for the curry. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!